marry a fine, calm, peace-loving gentleman like you who choose to enlist in the army. They forget that for the purpose of peace, we go to war. A man of peace, great reasoning. Indeed, from one student of St. John's who wanted us great by their statement after life have always found your corner as a refuge. Oh, how we miss you. Our brother was careless at Mass, and he won our admiration right from Form 1 when he was awarded government scholarship for being the best student academically in his class. As a hobby, he always went with the school cadet corps to the 2nd Naval Base to swim. He also loved sports, so he was oftentimes seen at the basketball court after school. His sense of duty and discipline undoubtedly made him excel in the St. John's School Cadet and later in the Ghana Army. At 31, he was a major and used to be promoted to be a major and now a major. Constantly, are you gone? But what will happen to the dream? Our long night talks and beautiful ideas you shared during life out. Just like a fine grain of wheat that falls to the earth, it dies to leave a new multiplying itself and giving much better fruit. The world will see you again, but your legacy lives on. The Mass Mahama Scholarship Scheme that will soon be absorbed by those saints who give excellence awards to deserving students who were part of the school's cadet. It shall also collaborate with the foundation that will be founded in your name to continually remind today's and successive traveling and Ghanaians in general that in the innocent blood of a true saint
we are recording so that we play when we are called.
Must indeed be buried with you.
Okay, let me move to inside.
Meaning, the outpouring of his precious blood forever purged Ghana of the unseen and more injustice. It is indeed painful to think that our hope for a fellow old saint whose 10 years from the day his life was rapidly taken could have become a very senior officer, a general, and possibly a member of the military high command to add to our pride and identity. Has become a mere illusion. Constantly, just like the way the American poet and educator H.W. Longfellow put it, yours has been the suffering, the memory shall be ours. Although you did not exceed in peace, we pray that your gentle soul finds perfect rest in the bosom of our Father in heaven, and may He reward you bountifully according to all your works. Live on, O Saint Major Maxwell Adam.